Ready to dive into the world of Ripple XRP and learn how to add it to your crypto portfolio? Let's get started. First, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that lists XRP. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and others. Do your research and select one that suits your needs based on fees, security, and user-friendliness. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange. This usually involves providing your email address, creating a strong password, and completing a verification process, which may include submitting personal information and identification documents. Once your account is verified, navigate to the XRP Trading page. Most exchanges will have search functionality, allowing you to quickly find the XRP trading pair you're interested in, such as XRP, USD or XRP, BTC. Now, it's time to place your buy order. You'll typically have options like market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, or limit orders, where you set a specific price you're willing to buy it. Choose the order type and amount of XRP you want to purchase. After buying XRP, securing your investment is crucial. Transfer your XRP to a secure wallet. You can choose between hardware wallets, software wallets, or exchange wallets, each offering different levels of security and convenience. Hardware wallets are generally considered the most secure. Remember to enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account and your wallet for added security. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Stay informed about the XRP market, potential risks, and regulatory developments. Reputable news sources and crypto analysis websites can help you stay updated. Finally, manage your investment wisely. Consider diversifying your portfolio and only investing what you can afford to lose. Buying XRP can be a great part of your crypto investment strategy, but always do your research. Good luck and happy investing.